Hey guys, so the Yeezy Butter colorway was released, and I decided to go and grab them while I could in Dubai. This was in Level Shoes in Dubai Mall. I did not think the hype was real here, as when I went there was about a line of 150 people waiting, and I was there two hours early before the shop even opened. So I was there waiting and waiting, took a few pictures, had a bit of coffee. And to be honest, based on what people were telling me in the line, they said that there were very limited pairs in the shop, and online there was also availability, but for some reason no one could log on to the website. It seemed to be kind of like blocked. So I decided to wait and try and see if I could hopefully get a pair. There were some people waiting since very early in the morning, and obviously they got the sizes that they want. One thing I noticed here is that the bigger sizes got basically filled up, and a lot of people got angry for waiting for so long and then finally finding out that the size they wanted was not there. Luckily that was not the case for me. I was there waiting for about 2.5 hours. It was quite a while. First time kind of doing the whole waiting in line for a kind of like limited edition type of gear. And yeah, so this was basically what I got. The price was 1,050 dirhams. Just remove this. This is the bag that came with it. This is the box itself. As you can see, just the standard 350 box. And you've got kind of like the details here. 1,050 dirhams, as you can see. Let's unveil the new Yeezys. I haven't even worn them yet. I just thought I'd do the unboxing first, and this is kind of like how they look. I decided to get the 9.5 UK size. Normally I go for 9s, but when I was there and I tried it, it was very, very tight, and I think that normally these shoes do feel more suited towards half a size higher or a full size. To be honest, I wanted to get the 10s, but they were fully sold out when I wanted to get those. So I had to settle with the 9.5s, and they're a little bit tight, but it's okay. It's not too bad. This is my first main pair that I have got of Yeezys, which I actually got directly myself rather than buying through like websites such as StockX or whatever. So I kind of feel a little bit more proud in a way that I've gone and become a sneakerhead, as you can say. Yeah, so these are basically how the shoes are. I believe that the cream color ones are going to be released next month, so I'll probably try and test my luck on those. But yeah, this is basically how the shoes are. It's got a kind of like brown sole pattern at the bottom, and yellowish, light yellow on the side, and that kind of like fills up to the end. They've started doing a new thing where they've got the sole and the side parts like at a different color, and it kind of shows in the back. Some people don't seem to like it. You know, I think it's okay. The material is very soft, like especially on the side, and you can kind of see the kind of supply kind of marking on the side. It's very faint. I'm not sure if that's meant to be there or not, but the kind of stripe thing that you normally find on the Yeezys are meant to be there. And you've kind of got like the smooth finish over here, and the kind of it's like a rough knit on the front part over here, as you can see, and it's very soft, it's very comfortable. You've got the kind of like yellow tab at the back, and the laces are just standard yellow smooth laces, and you've got like kind of like the tab at the top. In the back you have the padding over here, and that's quite nice actually, because especially on the heel part, that's definitely something that is important when you're moving about. And on the inside you've kind of got the made in China and the information on the actual shoes itself. And let's kind of look at the inside sole part, and I believe these are just standard. I guess you guys would probably know more than me regarding this stuff, but yeah, just added as Yeezy here, and you've got the very nice soft kind of like padding for the sole. And on the inside you've just got the standard, as you can see there, nothing special there. So let's kind of put these back inside, and obviously the main show piece of this shoe, if I can even get this bloody thing in, is the boost itself. And You can see the pattern of the boost is as it always is. Obviously, because this is white, this is definitely going to be prone to getting dirt, and cleaning it would probably be an issue. So this is the type of shoe where I'll probably just wear once in a while that I'm going out with. Obviously the color is a bit of a weird one, but you know, you're just gonna have to work out what you're gonna wear it with. Definitely, if you're wearing these, people will notice that these are definitely Yeezy just by the look of it. So it's not like losing out on the stripe here is going to make any difference. So I'm quite happy with the purchase. They have increased the price of these shoes in Dubai, as usually they were around 899, but they've bumped it up to 1050. I'm not sure why. Probably because there's very limited shops that actually keep these. They were online as well, but I think in like 30 to 45 minutes every single pair online was gone, so I didn't have a chance. And considering the website was very slow and not working, it's good I went to the store and got these. This is the other pair, so you can see. Let's put them side by side. That's the shoes themselves. Very nice. I'm quite happy with the purchase. These are the first ones I've got myself, and yeah. Oh yeah, these are the tags if anyone's interested, and you've gone and got the UK thing, and Adidas Boost 350 V2s originals, UK 9.5, US 10, and yeah. I'm probably going to wear these every so often, probably not every single day. You know, see, these are the type of shoes where you just kind of collect, if that makes any sense. I mean, a lot of people do that. I will be using these. A lot of people that were there were planning on reselling. Not really interested in doing that kind of things. I'd rather just collect them and just keep them as a collection for later on, and just, you know, just feel good that, you know, I've got some cool Yeezys. In the box, I think there's nothing else. So I'll just make a quick video of just these on my feet, just so people can see how they look. And if anyone's interested, you can drop me a message or anything, and let me know what you guys think on how these are, and if you guys are going to get these as well. Thanks, guys.